Let's begin a journey into a world where innovation meets real-world challenges. Where design isn't just about aesthetics, but about solving problems that matter. Welcome to the Design Thinking and Innovation course series. Built especially for hotel professionals, facility managers, executives, and changemakers in the hospitality industry. In this program, you'll learn how to understand your users with empathy, design meaningful guest experiences, and lead your teams with creativity and purpose. From the fundamentals of user-centered design to applying human factors for comfort and safety, we take you deep into what makes design truly work in the real world. You'll explore real case studies, like how a tribal coffee brand used design to scale impact, or how a flood relief dashboard saved lives through rapid iteration. Learn how to build sustainable business models, design for accessibility and inclusion, and use storytelling to pitch your ideas with confidence and clarity. And the best part: you don't just learn theory. You apply it. In real settings. With real results. Slide. Start with any module. Track your progress. Earn your certificate. And join a growing community of hospitality innovators. Direct Hit ready to begin. Movie Camera watch the full playlist on YouTube. Globe with Meridians or visit our LMS at hegsdc.com for certification and deeper learning.